want to say thank you so much to the branding team for sending me the M99 Bluetooth speaker to review. Right out of the packaging, I could just tell it's a really sleek, compact design. It feels really premium and really light, so it was a really nice experience. This would be really great for popping into your backpack, your travel bag. If you're going for a nice day out, maybe a camping trip, hiking, on holiday vacation, I think it'd be really great for that. I have done some testing off camera because of copyright, I can't show you that, but the sound quality was really impressive for the size of the Bluetooth speaker. I listened to it for several hours, so I could definitely review it properly. And it was really nice. The audio wasn't tinny, it was really smooth and crisp. I had no issues with reverb or anything like that at all. It was a really nice audio experience. I really like that you can also pair two of them together. So if you have got a couple of friends and maybe you're sitting around having a party, you can pair two of them to have a stereo effect, which would be really great for a party. The battery life is 50%, it's 24 hours. So again, if you are going out for a full day, long weekender, it'll be really perfect on Watch One charge for music all day and into the evening as well. So really good fun. Charging is really simple. There's a charging port on there. There's also an auxiliary input as well for wired connections. So that's also handy. It is splash resistant, so if you are going to the pool or the beach, you're going to be fine. A little bit of rain is going to be no problem if you're maybe going hiking as well, so the music can carry on. You pair it via your Bluetooth, as you normally do if you've got a phone. You're used to doing Bluetooth pairing. It's super quick and very seamless. The connection strength is up to 100 feet, so that again is also really impressive. And also it has a built-in mic, so if you do want to take hands-free calls, you can. Overall, my afternoon with the Bugani M99 Bluetooth speaker has been really good fun. I think it combines portability and good power, a really good premium sound, and it's a really nice compact speaker. So a big thank you again to the team for very kindly sending this out to me. I really am going to enjoy it on my holidays this year. And yeah, I really do recommend it.